हेलो फ्रेंड्स, स्वागत है आपका स्टडी हब ऑनलाइन पर। यहाँ हम रोज लेकर आते हैं हिंदू के डेली वोकैब्युलरी वर्ड्स जो आपके कम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स के लिए मस्ट नो होते हैं। फॉर पीडीएफ जॉइन आवर टेलीग्राम, लिंक इन डिस्क्रिप्शन। तो चलिए बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए शुरू करते हैं आज का सेशन। ब्रॉड बेसिंग, व्यापक बनाना। मीनिंग, टू मेक समथिंग मोर इंक्लूसिव और टू वाइडन इट्स स्कोप और अपील। Synonyms: widening, expanding, diversifying. Antonyms: narrowing, restricting, limiting. Example: the Mia said India was broad-basing and diversifying its sources of energy. Loggerheads, matbhed, jhagda. Meaning: engaged in a dispute or strong disagreement. Synonyms: conflict, disagreement, odds, dispute. Antonyms: agreement, harmony, accord. Example: India and the US have been at loggerheads over the former's purchase of Russian oil. Decried, निंदा करना, आलोचना करना. Meaning: to publicly denounce or condemn. Synonyms: condemned, criticized, denounced, disparaged. Antonyms: praised, commended, lauded. Example: China defended its oil purchases and decried unilateral bullying measures by the US. Untenable, asthir, asmarthaniya. Meaning: especially of a position or view, not able to be maintained or defended against attack or objection. Synonyms: indefensible, insupportable, unsustainable, flawed. Antonyms: tenable, defensible, sound, reasonable. Example: the court found that the subsequent government orders were legally untenable. Conquer, सहमत होना. Meaning: to be of the same opinion, to agree. Synonyms: agree, accord, coincide, agree. Antonyms: disagree, differ, dissent. Example: the bench appeared to concur with this view, telling the council it could not take a different view. Prescribed, निर्धारित, विहित. Meaning: to state authoritatively that a rule or course of action should be followed. Synonyms: stipulated, mandated, specified, laid down. Antonyms: proscribed, forbidden, optional. Example: the 50% ceiling breached the limit prescribed by the Supreme Court in earlier rulings. Misconception, glatfahmi, bhranti. Meaning: a view or opinion that is incorrect because it is based on faulty thinking or understanding. Synonyms: misunderstanding, delusion, fallacy, misinterpretation. Antonyms: understanding, fact, certainty. Example: a state's council argued there was a misconception that reservations cannot exceed 50%. Stipulated, nirdharit, तय. Meaning: demanded or specified as part of an agreement. Synonyms: specified, required, designated, mandated. Antonyms: unspecified, optional, open. Example: the concept of deemed assent applied if the governor failed to act within a stipulated time period. Reaffirms, पुनः पुष्टि करना. Meaning: to state again strongly, to confirm. Synonyms: confirms, restates, reasserts, reiterates. Antonyms: retracts, denies, revokes. Example: the court's ruling reaffirms that reservations in local body elections cannot exceed 50%. Dwindling, घटता हुआ, क्षीण होता हुआ. Meaning: gradually diminishing in size, amount, or strength. Synonyms: diminishing, decreasing, shrinking, declining. Antonyms: increasing, growing, flourishing. Example: he reflected on the dwindling results and diminishing returns of the once great team. If you like the video, do comments and subscribe. Stay cool, keep learning, be Gen G.